This is an inspirational story, which is based on a true incident. This story is of Dashrath Manji, better known as the Mountain Man. This story is a wonderful example of true dedication, passion, and self-sacrifice. There is a small village in Gaya district of Bihar, Galaur. This village was cut off from the main city because there was a big mountain between the village and the city. People had to travel a distance of 70 kilometers around the mountains to reach the hospital, school, and market. Dashrath Manji was a poor laborer. He belonged to the Dalit community and was counted in the lowest rung of the society. He had neither education, nor money, nor any political power. But they had it: intent, passion, and love. One day, Dashratha's wife, Fagunia Devi, who used to climb the mountain daily to bring food for him, fell and got seriously injured. He died due to lack of timely treatment. Dashrath Manji was devastated. But this breakdown made him stronger. He decided that now he would not let anyone else die like his wife. And this is where the story of their struggle began. A single man, a chisel, a hammer, and a mountain. The year was 1960. Dashrath Manji started the work of cutting the mountain. People called him mad. They used to laugh and taunt, but Manji did not listen to anyone. Be it heat or rain, hunger or disease, he worked hard day and night. He had neither any machine nor any help, just a chisel and hammer. But his intentions were stronger than iron. But they had it: intent, passion, and love. Gradually, people started feeling that Manji was really doing something big. Some people started helping, but he did the main work alone. For 22 years, from 1960 to 1982, without stopping, he cut a huge mountain and made a path 360 feet long, 30 feet wide, and 25 feet high. The distance on which earlier one had to travel 70 kilometers is now only 15 kilometers. When this work was completed, the government and media took notice. Dashrath Manji was called the Mountain Man. He met the president and was appreciated by the Bihar government. Several documentaries and a film were also made in his name, Manji, the Mountain Man, in which Nawazuddin Siddiqui played his character. But what was Manji's real victory? Not awards, not money, not fame. His real victory was the path that he opened for his wife, and later for the entire village. The lesson from this story is that no matter the circumstances, if the will is strong, even mountains can bow down. Even a single man can bring about great change. If love is true, it can create history. The greater the struggle, the more historic the success. Friends, whenever you feel like you can't do something, remember Dashrath Manji, the man who cut through a mountain without any help, solely for his passion and love. Where there's a will, there's a way. He proved this saying true. Friends, if you are determined to do something and are determined to do something, no matter how troubled you are, the paths open up automatically. We just need the courage to do it. If you like this story, please share it with your friends and family. Give it a like and a loving thumbs up, and also subscribe to our channel.